Hey everyone, today we're in a camper van and we have a problem here with this shower head. It's basically broken off. So when someone was trying to turn it, it actually just snapped off in there. So I'll show you how to replace the shower head. So first things first, we need to remove this whole cap here. Now with this particular mixer, that's the brand. The design is quite similar to most household applications as well. So what you want to do is you want to turn this one way or turn this the other way. There'll be a clip and a lock. You just have to find it and pull out like that. See that clip there? So each model can be different, but if you follow that concept, you'll be able to remove that. Once you remove that, sometimes you'll find screws here holding this plate on, but this particular one doesn't have anything, so it just pulls out like so. You don't even have to remove that plate. Just because this one was coming out, I took it off, but it just depends on what exactly is wrong with yours. It does pay to remove that, and also check here, because sometimes these seals can leak. So when you remove that, this is where the shower broke off from. So it basically unscrews, so you have to get in there and unscrew this. You wouldn't need a screwdriver or tweezers or something, and that unscrews. And you remove that, and you can go ahead and get your new shower head. This is what happens if you don't screw in your new shower head properly. So always make sure to screw it in properly. We'll show you now.
You'll see water running down here. See that? You see water dripping like that down your shower head is not tightened, or your O-ring at the back is loose, or there's a crack or something like that.
This is the new shower head.
So on this one we don't need any Teflon tape because it's plastic to plastic, and it's got an O-ring here.
And you do not want to over tighten that shower head either. Just tighten it so that it's tight but not over tightened. Once you're finished, just test everything out.